Sometimes it appears as though evolved ones have no mind of their own. They are watching and learning from how others view things. And yet, in contrast to the world's ways, wise ones are good to people who are good, and also good to people who appear as not good. This is true goodness, and goodness has power. They trust people who are trustworthy, and also trust people who appear untrustworthy. This is true trust, and trust has power. Although they mingle in the world, they have not taken on the world's ways, and sometimes appear childlike in their innocence. People look to them and look after them. To hold too tightly to life is to find death. The 13 paths of the senses and openings in our body are also the paths to our dying. Knowing that the body eventually dies, wise ones do not cling to it for life. And by releasing false ideas about life, they also release resistance in the body. Thus, meeting a wild animal or a military force on their path, they remain calm and open to inner guidance. Without resistance to death, their life force is strong.